NYSEinstein from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. This has got to be inside Wirtschaft Friday, April 1. Ain't no April Fool's Day on this one. This has got to be one of the wildest roller coaster rides, stop the madness, that we've seen in a long time. We came in on a short week, Memorial Day last Monday. We came in on Tuesday with the Italian news and headlines of the dissemination or the declaration or the dysfunctionality or the whatever madness coming out of the Italian government and the possible separation from the EU and all that geo-global, geo-economic information that came out. We sold down 400 points on Tuesday. Rallied back on Wednesday. Whether it was a bounce back, it was reversal in the tech, reversal in oil, or whatnot, back up 400 points. Then yesterday, we were down 400 points once again on tariffs, on trade wars on China, on tariffs on Canada and Mexico, trade wars with China, madness coming out of the White House, and whatnot. And then once again today, we are back up 250 points. A lot more green in the market today than there were yesterday. So we had a down 4 and up 4, a down 3 and an up 2. I call that a crazy train. At the end of the day, we're still here at 24,635. Russell rebounding sizably. S&P rebounding sizably. Up 30 on the spiders, up 15 on the Russell. Nice move. Oil and gold are down, so we see a flight of safety into stocks out of the commodity market. Transport's up 150, Dow Jones up 220. Reasonable volume 858. That's the number of the day, 858. 900 million shares traded on the day, 2-1 on volume on the upside. To what do we owe today's rally? Solid economic numbers as far as unemployment, best number we've seen in a long, long time. So as we always talk about, it's what is the market engaging? Could be some negatives, could be some positives. It seems that today everyone had been counting on this number. Okay, solid employment number, lowest unemployment rate for a while. And in fact, what was the sort of the curious wild card in the little mix, the cherry in the cocktail, was the fact that wage growth, 2.5%, higher than anticipated, which normally would have been an inflationary flag on the market. The market's been absorbing inflationary economic data and keeping it positive. Consolidation, constructive. Market has absorbed negative news, has participated in positive news, and we just got to prove to you that all the emotionals, all the selling that we've seen over the last 18 months, whether it's geopolitical, geo-global, whether it's China, whether it's tariffs, whether it's the White House, whether it's North Korea, whether it's interest rates and the Fed, whether it's earnings or whatnot, this market has absorbed it and is solid. Yes, we may be about 1,600 points off the high. Russell at record high, spiders almost at record high. Transport solid, almost at 11,000. This market has been constructively consolidating and absorbing information that's negative, participating in the positive. The sell side has never followed through for more than 2 or 3 days. It's been rebuffed by a way much larger buy side. So as I've been saying all along for all these months, emotional selling, smart money buying, there is value in this market. We are probably going to see an interest rate raise in June. That's all fine and good. Markets pricing it in and feel strong. We've had reasonable earnings, and that's been okay, but we've had some headwinds on guidance, okay? Markets absorb that too. We've got crazy stuff going on in North Korea. They've been able to absorb that. We have tariffs and trade wars happening. We've been able to absorb that. So emotional selling, smart money buying, this market is actually acting great. It's been constructive, it's consolidated, and it acts fine. We're going to close out our week, beginning of May, beginning of April, beginning of June. Oh, that's why it wasn't April Fool's Day, because it's friggin' June 1st. Einstein, I feel like one of the Knicks at the game yesterday. I don't even know if we're tied in the game or winning. It's Friday, it's June 1, forget about it, I'm done. I'm burnt and I need a vacation. I love you all. Ended up the week solid, good week for Wall Street. NYSEinstein, inside Wirtschaft. I love you all. I'll see you later.